Right, let's have a look at adding beyond 20. When adding beyond 20, use all the skills that we've looked at in the last few slides. Let's take an example. If we have 38 and 53, we have 3 10s here and 5 10s here. 3 10s is 30, 5 10s is 50. I've written them there for you. And we have 8 1s here and 3 1s here. Here's the 8 1s here and 3 1s here. Now, quite simply, 3 10s plus another 5 10s is 8 10s, or 80. Now, we have 8 plus 3, which is adding beyond 10. So I'm going to split the 3 into 2 and 1 so that we can get 10 here and 1 left over. Now, I've got 8 10s plus another 10 plus 1, which gives me 9 10s, or 90, plus 1 gives me 91. End of problem. Now, you might think, well, we've got an easier algorithm for that. We've got column addition. Well, I suppose that's what we're building up to, because you can see here, I've done the same sum with column addition, but now hopefully what we're doing will make some sense. If we had add 8 and 3, that's the same as 10 plus 2 plus 1, which will give us our 10 plus our 1 left over. 8 and 3. I suppose I could split this one further just to make it really obvious. 8 plus 3 is equal to 8 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10 plus 1. And I'll make this one here yellow and this one here blue. Now, you can see here, I can probably make this a little bit more obvious by saying that 3 has become this 2 plus 1 over here. Now, that 10 goes up here in the tens column. That 1 goes down here to say that we've got 1 left over. And then we get 1 10 plus 3 more 10s is 4 10s plus 5 10s is 9 10s, just like we did before. Now, it's a lot easier to lay it out this way, but the actual processes that are going on are quite complex because we're actually doing what's over here. The main difference is rather than saying 10 in this part here, we're just putting the little 1 up there to indicate that we've got an extra 10 rather than writing 10 ones. Because in some ways, all of this side here is written as 1s rather than 10s. We've got 30 1s here and 50 1s here and 8 1s here and 3 1s here. Whereas in this case, when we're looking at these numbers, we're saying that this 3 here is representative of 30 1s and this 5 here is representative of 50 1s. That's a bit of extra maths trivia, but if you're comfortable with adding in columns, just be careful to line all the 1s up underneath each other and all the 10s up underneath each other. Otherwise, it gets a bit confusing and people tend to make mistakes. And that's all the lesson for today. Thank you.